chakli. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to the Recipes. I am Kasha Jaykumar. So dear friends, it's going to be a lovely Diwali dhamaka where we are going to just make it as sweets and savories. So it's also called as Suvaika Samika Diwali. So this is going to be a lovely session of Diwali sweets. Do not miss each and every episode. It comes in 2 languages, Tamil and English. Whichever language you're comfortable with, please choose. Try these sweets and keep us posted. Happy Diwali. A lovely session of chakli. Murukku to be done in a very simple and easy way. So let's look into how to do this chakli. For this chakli or murukku, let's look into how to do the flour first. See, I am taking rice flour. This is a shop bought, or you can also make it from home. Just you can watch the other video to get the homemade flour. Now we have the shop bought one also. With that, we should get it very nicely and crispy. So that's the aim of dosa to pizza, and that's why we are making it very quick and simple chakli or murukku. So I have taken 2 cups. As there were a lot of requests who also mentioned the measurements while doing, so I am just mentioning it. Here I am having 2 cups of rice flour. This has been roasted mildly. So roasted rice flour and roasted and powdered urud dal flour. So I am taking 1/4 cup for 1 cup of rice flour. So now this is 1/4 into 2. So I am having half cup of urud dal flour. So just remember, if you are going to take only 1 cup, whichever cup you are using, just take 1/4 of urud dal flour in that. Now just pass it through the sieve. So both the flours are slightly roasted, remember that. It's done. So let's mix it now. Meanwhile, we'll also start heating the oil in pan. Add required amount of salt. And as I mentioned, for 1 cup of rice flour, it's going to be 1 tablespoon of butter. So here it is 2 cups and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. Give it a nice mix. Once the butter is spread completely, we can add water little by little and make it into a nice soft batter. Press this bell icon and never miss an update from us. Now this is how the texture should be. It should be very soft and nice. So then only what will happen is the chaklis or the murukkus will come in an even outer ring. Otherwise what will happen is they will have some cracks in them. So to avoid that, you should have a nice soft pliable dough. I am having 3 holes in this press. So grease it completely with oil and look at the chaklis now. So here we are there to share some lovely comments what we received recently, and it's comments of some kids who are involved in this cooking. They are just 13 years old and 16 years old. It's really delightful to see kids getting involved in cooking shows and following the instructions and trying some recipes in their kitchen is really lovely and wonderful. So we just thought we will share that with you. And we would also like to request you all to post the photographs of your recipes, what you're going to try for this Diwali, from dosa to pizza, whatever you're going to try. Just send us the photographs through email or in the Facebook. So it'll be nice for us to share with the other subscribers and those who are watching this channel also. Thank you. Now our hot oil is ready in the wok. So drop a piece of dough and check if the oil is at the right heat. See, what will happen is it should come up in 1 or 2 seconds. Then it means it is in the right heat. If it's going to be just like that immediately, if it's going to boil up, then what will happen is they get roasted very badly. They change the color quickly. So we'll have to see it is in the proper right heat. Now take the press and straight away press it in the oil. So, but if you're afraid of this, I will also show you the other method where you can put it in a parchment paper or a baking sheet, and then you can put those pieces into the oil. So here it's a straight press. Give it one swirl and cut the dough like this. One swirl and then cut it off. So we have all our chaklis and murukus in the hot oil. So can you see, after just few seconds they all came up. Now slowly turn it to the other side. Wait until the bubbling of the oil stops and the chaklis or the murukku will start floating in the oil. Now here I have a parchment paper. Grease it with some oil if required, or you can even use any polythene milk cover or something like that. You can grease them the same way, and just the same procedure what we did in the oil, we are going to do it in the parchment paper. Depends on the size you like, you can make it as you wish. So that is the convenience you will have in the parchment paper or baking sheets. You can even make small chaklis or small murukus in this. Now have a look at this. What's in the oil? See, the bubbling of oil has stopped almost, and you get a clear visibility of the murukku chakli. Otherwise what was happening is the bubbles were on top and you were not able to see the chaklis. So this is the right time where we can remove it from oil. So that means it's cooked properly. So they'll be of the right crisp and taste. Now from the parchment paper, remove it very carefully and drop them in the oil. This dropping again we'll have to be very careful. If you drop it in full speed, what happens is the oil will splash on you. So take care to drop it slowly. The same way, you can see a lot of bubbles and the chaklis are not visible, the murukku is not visible. As they start getting cooked, the bubbles reduce and the chaklis become more visible. So this is how we understand that they are cooked. Now it's done, so let's remove it. So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this session of making this very simple and yet a tasty chakli or murukku. Do try this and keep us posted. Dosatti Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosatti Pizza. Thank you and bye-bye.